In today's world, people are so scared about bacteria, making them sick, getting killed, viruses making them sick, getting killed, fungus making them sick. But let me tell you something, that's not the problem. The problem is the food that you eat. Because the food essentially becomes your environment, and the system allows your body to actually work in harmony. The immune system, everything about your body with the proper nutrients will protect you from those things. So that's what is killing more. Food is killing more than bacteria. Look where I'm standing. We got 7-Eleven behind me. Right? Mickey D's. I'm on one corner here in the Outer Banks, North Carolina. Just to show you the choices you have and what you got to decide to eat. It's not good. You got 7-Eleven, Mickey D's. Go on behind me. Look at this. Look at this. Barbecue, high fatty foods. The Sugar Kingdom, coffees. I wonder what you're gonna get there. Sugar. That's bad food. In between your eating, you can go get some nice souvenirs at Sun Sensations, but right behind me, Burger King. We got Burger King. And look, you got Wendy's way there in the back. Can you see it? Wendy's. You got Circle K, a convenience store, all in one corner. Wow, the choices you have are abound. But see, you're more powerful than those choices. You make the decision of what you want to be, how healthy you want to be. If you choose health, you don't eat that stuff. You don't want health, you decide not to eat it or to eat it. It's that simple. So in today's world, you can't be afraid of a virus. You can't be afraid of bacteria. What you gotta be afraid of is what you put inside your body through the food. So my recommendation is always have a sensible diet. Eat more plant-based fruits, grains, vegetables. Enjoy yourself here and there, but don't make it a chronic thing, a day after day thing, because that's what actually gets people. The day after day. But the day after day in plants and really focus on your diet, stay away from sugary drinks, the Burger King, McDonald's of the world. You're going to be so much more healthier, and you don't have to run around being scared of a virus, bacteria, and all that stuff. Look at that. You see all those cars? I'm one guy. That's how many bacteria and viruses we have in the world. My body, man, it's like trillions, 50 trillion of bacteria or cells in our body. It's amazing. So your body's amazing. You're meant to live in this beautiful world, protected. Your body will protect you in harmony with everybody else. Just choose the right thing. Just choose the right stuff. That's my tip. Practice what I preach. I'm on a bike.